one shopping shrimp. For today, please bless the family, help them with the kid and the baby, and bless their family, bless everybody here, bless the food, bless the drinks, bless us with another day, and bless the baby and help them through life. Amen.
And then we're gonna eat. Are you guys ready? Yeah. You ready? Kristy? Come here. Come here. Over there.
Where?
Over here.
Oh, right here?
This thing right here. There's one cupcake. Yeah. You guys have to eat it to find out what is
It's not enough.
one cupcake. There's 6 of them. No,
How do we know if that's the one?
Can I just eat the blue?
Oh, okay.
Do I just open it?
Yeah. It's a girl. It's a girl.
Russell thinks it's a girl. Kristy thinks it's a girl. I mean, boy. Ready? So, Russell, take one. Kristy, take one. Get the gender. Okay. Take a big bite. Now. Anything? No. Sure? All right, next one. There might be nothing. Okay, take a bite. Take a bite. Anything?
Nope.
All right. Okay.
Does anybody see? No! I'm good, I'm good. Hey, what is it? It's your
hoping for a boy.
Oh,
Go back. Russell got what he wanted, but still grateful, blessed, and happy.
right on. Congratulations.
I wanted a girl. I didn't want a boy. Nah, I love a boy too. Come on, everybody. Thank you. Yes, I wanted a girl.
What do you want to say to everybody?
Thank you. Kumbol Olive. Kumbol Olive kan Olive in Dicker, Gloria. Kumbol kan Jibakin. Kava Club. Alava Club. Tennis Club. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Wasn't for you guys. Thank you guys. Love you guys.
Alright.
Come on.
Come on.
India Kumbol Olive. Kumbol kan Jibakin. Nah, ngayon yung family nga bro, Matamaro, Charles, Moana po. Tennis club, Alaba, Kava club, kumbol nga nakalagyan si Bangkina. Love you guys. Yung Maria.
Oh yeah.
Kira naman ajarin na
Well, Russell basically said it all.
Okay.
But we're very grateful and thankful.
It's a girl.
God bless
It's a girl.
all of us. And
I need a boy.
he got his girl. That's all I gotta say.
That's all I needed.
Alright, congratulations you two.
Thank
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Nice.
I just want to say congrats to you, Russ, Kristy, and the family. Let's go, Team Girl.
Russell, Kristy, congratulations. You guys gonna be great parents again.
Okay, I just want to shout out to Russell and Kristy. Congratulations on a beautiful baby girl. You know, matan hajiri Nigeria and lyrical all of them. Just want to say congratulations and God bless.
Makalata kamolo diro dengan cuan rarai wujud. Kamolo dengan Kristy project caraman kan dengan ini Jimiro. Yar tim pulu ailu. Caraman kan dengan ini Jimiro. Sen nan kan reduk cenngam paman ini nama. Caraman ni mana jen pel miro alu bikin miro kan. Yes a plesa.
Kalau men elap cemarong pa. Karena naman tadi cemarong pa caram. Nino, mo.
Caraman dengan Kristy project. And ajarin congratulations.
Congrats to you guys, new kid coming out. Team girl.
Okay, Russell. Ayo, kamolo lani je boy. It's a girl. You aiming for a girl? Yang mana? Tigero. Much. Menorin yang kamolo lani. Thank you Mira man. Sen Majal Island dengan Hawaiian Island. Ha. Boy. Ibu lagi. Kamu lah. Thank you. Saya kena jalo je video. Sen kami watch. Liko city gerai jo. Ngan awal. Maptadangan pamela rajal kamu lagi join video je memang. Cemerong mana. Dipendron lo. Coba ini rai. Kamu lo lah ni. Boy. Arka ramon kami rogan join lerik. Ijala ke. Jaga betul na Amirone. Kekirap ji. Ha. Okay. Thank you.
Hi. No, okay.
Go ahead.
I knew it was a girl. Look down.
Oh.
So, yeah. I knew it was a girl. Congrats.
Yang way caraman Kristy Rajal kan lere kan ini Jimiro. Yung ibu ini bang alu lala. Caraman.
Congratulations on getting a girl, which means you spend more money.
My name's Danson Madison. I thought it was gonna be a boy. I bet $100 with Vicky. I lost $100, but congratulations. I will do everything to protect her.
Okay, so Russell and Kristy's gender reveal, I knew it was gonna be on girl. I knew from the get-go. As soon as they found that they got pregnant, I knew it was on girl. So that's why I called it, and that's why it's a girl.
Hi, Kristy Russell and kids. I'm baby's auntie, keep it with their gender. I just want to say congratulations. I think you guys are great parents and nothing but blessings and loves. I'm so excited.
Wala tayo ako eh. Kamolo na nits, man minutong cheese. Raini na ilong na orok, yan Rajal in Kristy. Raini di kayo. Kamardo pag kami nungudin niya tayo, ito dyan. Kaya kay, imwalok ng lang. Chen Kristy, im Rajal. Caraman lah pala pangalan ro. Mr. Mrs. Ilotere ngai kacu ngajan mo ko Mrs. Medicine. Future medicine. Dia ko nanin kajaraman dengan family na ro. Im posay. Im congratulations guys. You guys. Ini pa tayo. Fortune angel namanya. Siguro ko to. Ito yan nganan ni ito ngan lawin iperang. Hindi ka jaraman ani dikan. Menigay may ramman ni dito ngan kacu aran. All of all. Eh imagine jen family ciri ka jaraman alat. What else? Nothing else.
Hi, Kristy Russell and kids. Congratulations. I knew it was girls because Ella told me it's going to be a girl. So, Jaraman, God bless, and I love you all.